Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Airport Authority of India has released the scorecard for their air traffic controller vacancy. The examination was scheduled on 14th of July and just after 2 days, means on 16th of July, the scorecard has been released. I will be sharing the link for the official ATC website. From there, you can just log in and check your response sheet and you can calculate your score. Apart from it, I will be also sharing a link where you can just copy paste your URL and after pasting the URL, you will be getting the exact score what you are expecting in the actual examination. So now coming towards my score. In the non-tech section, I have scored 49 marks and in the technical section, I have scored 53 marks. The total score is 102 marks. And if I go to the breakdown in the non-tech section, then in GS, I was expecting 7 marks, but I got 6 marks. And in English, I got 16 marks. In quantitative aptitude, I scored 15 marks. In reasoning, I scored 12 marks. In one of the questions, I was not able to crack the logic, but 2 questions were just blunder from my end. And in the technical, it's 53 marks. So check out your result and write down in the comment section how much marks are you getting so that we can get a brief idea about the overall cutoff. See you in the next video.